Hello there, Cougar Academy, Algebra 1, and welcome to Lesson 6.4. Today, solving multiple step inequalities. Hopefully this isn't too bad. Again, it's just like solving regular equations. So, we're going to start by combining like terms here on the left. 4n minus 5n is negative n, and it's less than or equal to negative 4. And divide by negative 1, divide by negative 1, which makes it n greater than 4. However, remember, switch that sign. N greater than or equal to 4. So we are going to have what kind of circle? A solid circle around the 4. And numbers bigger than it. And after that, it should just all be regular old problems from before. So just more steps involved. Like number 2 here. Key thing, add together like terms. So on the left, we have x and we have negative 3x. If they are on the same side, you want to add them together. So negative 2x minus 5 is greater than negative 19. And we are then going to add the 5 over. So if you are adding to the other side of the equation, that is when you do the opposite operation. Negative 14 and negative 2x divide by negative 2. What does that mean to do the sign? What does it mean? Flip it. Flip it. So we have x less than 7. And that means an open circle at 7 and then shaded to the left. To the left. Okay. Some problems coming up here involve distributing. So that is what's going on for number 3 and 4. Distribute. Negative 7x minus 49 greater than or equal to negative 98. So I'm going to draw a little dash here. If we are moving on the other side of that dash, you do the opposite operation. So 49, adding to both sides, is negative 7x greater than or equal to negative 49. And divide by negative 7, and switch the sign, x less than or equal to 7. Okay, remember, flip the sign if you divide or multiply by a negative. So graphing that, solid circle and at 7, and to the left. To the left. And here is number 4, really nothing extra special with this one. Distribute. We're going to subtract the 49 to the other side. Subtraction does not change the sign. So it's negative 140 less than or equal to 28x. Divide by 28. Divide by 28. X is less than or equal to negative 5. Once again, do not change the sign. No flip because it's not a negative 28. So plotting that, negative 5, and everything to the left will get us there. And just finish up a few more examples here, 5 and 6. What can be tricky with these is we have variables on both sides. Remember, if the variable is on the same side, you add them together. No opposite signs. So this is a 3v minus 8, 6 plus v. If you're switching sides, that's when you need to subtract or do the opposite operation. So 2v minus 8 less than 6. Add 8, which makes it 2v less than 14. And divide by 2. And v is less than 7. Plotting that at 7 and to the left. And there you have it. And number 6, little distributing and variables on both sides. So let's check it out. 5 minus 5x greater than negative 13 plus 4x. Splitting it up. So if you're going to the other side of that dotted line, you do the opposite operation. Adding to the like terms. 9x. Whoops. Erase that. And we have negative 13 plus 9x on the right, and a 5. I'm going to switch the 13 over. Divide by 9. And please just remember that it's really ideal to rewrite it so x or your variable's on the left. So less than 2, and we can plot that and graph. Okay, great job on those guys. Make sure you practice.